Hello, fellow adventurers. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of customization. If you're a Superduty enthusiast, buckle up and let's explore the world of 2011 Superduty with stolen catalytic converters. First things first, what are catalytic converters? They are an emission control device that converts harmful pollutants in exhaust gases produced by an internal combustion engine into less harmful substances by catalyzing a series of chemical reactions. These devices have become popular targets for theft due to their high price and ease of sale on the black market. However, some individuals choose to remove them from their vehicles, often for aesthetic or performance reasons. Now, let's consider the legality of this practice in many regions. It can potentially lead to environmental issues and cause significant safety hazards to both the vehicle and its surroundings. Driving a vehicle with no catalytic converters is not just risky, but also illegal in most jurisdictions. So,
Removing
if
or
you're
tampering
considering
with
buying
buying
a
a
2011
is against the
law with stolen catalytic converters, remember to stay informed about your region's regulations and always prioritize safety over style. Thanks for tuning in today. If you find this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Stay safe on the roads and keep customizing responsibly.